trade analysis and dissection, you have come to the right place. My name is Pat Mitchell. I have been a professional day trader for the past 11 years, and I'm here to bring you exactly that. Professional day trading education, all here for free on YouTube and on X. And tonight we are going to be going over a couple of trades that I personally took here on SPY. Going to be going over a perfect long, followed up by another beautiful trade. So give me 1 sec. I'm going to fire up these charts. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. I know we certainly did. Let's rock and roll. So now that we are into the charts, let's talk about the trade that we took. So market opens up and kind of gives up a little bit of a pop. We were actually initially looking to go short, but I needed it into the top of this pre-market range. It didn't do that. That was the 9 EMA. I needed it close because of my risk. My risk was already slightly wide on that. So it didn't quite get into my entry. That's all right. As we all know, for every short, there is a long in wait and vice versa. So sells off, comes down into that level. Beautiful execution. Bing, bang, boom. Paid ourselves on the way up. Just was patient with it and then worked it all the way up for about a 70%, somewhere in there, 75% maybe, from best entry to best exit. So beautiful, beautiful trade. Locking in $3,703 on that. Then let's go into the next trade, which was a short. So as it's coming up back into this morning range, as it pops up, I execute the short, average in, and then pay myself on the wash into support. It was basically a feeler trade and looking for immediate breakdown because we're kind of at a point on the daily chart that if Qs would have opened up a little bit lower, both SPY and Qs would have made a lower low on the daily. And instead of this rounding effect that we have, which is traditionally a bullish sign on the daily chart, it's something that I look for anyways. Qs was quite strong. SPY traditionally weak, but there's conflicting information. So basically just had to feel it out until it picked its true direction. And its true direction was determined from basically breaking out or breaking down on this tight range. And this tight range is low of day from yesterday up to essentially the previous close from yesterday. And once it picks that direction, it's basically set. Now, it did sell off, but you're going to get the run up or the sell off down, and you'd be able to take advantage of it. So overall, really solid day. Before I wrap this one up, I do want to let you guys know this week has kind of been a little all over the place. We have a lot of family down right now. We're having an event down here. So lots of family, very busy. I'm trying to do the best I can, trying to get these recaps out and everything else. But at the very least, I have been showing the members the entries, the exits, so the entries charts, as well as the closed positions for transparency, of course. I pride myself on that. It's something that is important to me and my service, that I am fully transparent. So although I may not be doing a recap on YouTube, please keep in mind that it is always done via chat. And if you want to learn how to become a professional trader, come to tricktrades.com. And if not, continue to enjoy my free content. That's why it's here. It's just going to take you a little bit longer. And if you feel like you have all the time in the world to become a successful trader, then by all means, please just stick with the free content. But for those of you that do want to get this shit going, and you're sick and tired of the daily grind and know that there is a way out, the way out is with me and right here at tricktrades.com. Adios, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Adios.